Hello, welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic, talking about databases. Databases. Today, to illustrate the topic, we are going to take a case study. We are going to manage a pharmacy, as you can see on the screen. We are going to manage a pharmacy. Now, for us to talk about this topic, we need to understand the secret, how a pharmacy functions. And we are going to choose an appropriate secret for us to understand the topic. Now, now let us go deep into the topic. Now, this project is all about management of a pharmacy supply processes, stocking, sales process. So we are going to deal with supply, stocking of medications, and the sale of the medication we have been supplied. So we are going to have five main actors. That is the supplier, the storekeeper, the seller, the deliverer, and of course the consumer. So we are going to go deep into this topic. Now, this is a brief description of the topic, and for us to understand more how it functions, we are going to look at a diagram called the MCD diagram. The MCD diagram is just the relationship and the attribute, the express of the relationship and the attribute of each entity of the secret. So that's it for the pharmacy secret. We have the supplier that supplies to the storekeeper. The supplier will add to the stock, and the storekeeper will also count the stock. We have the seller that will get from the stock to go and sell to the consumer, and also the seller will go and will give to the deliverer to go and for him to go and give and provide to the consumer who doesn't want to leave his house but has passed a command through a site web, a website or through a phone call. So that's it for the MCD diagram. Now we are going to look at the numbers attributed to each relationship. The number for the supplier that provides to the storekeeper, it is 1 to n. It simply means the supplier can supply at least one medication to the storekeeper, or at most n. N is any number. It can be 100, it can be 1000, but the minimum it can supply is 1, and the maximum is n. He cannot supply 0. It means he's not supplying anymore. So he can supply from 1 to n. So, and the same goes for the storekeeper that can receive only one supply from the supplier. The storekeeper can receive only one supply at a time from the supplier. So that's it. This is why the 1.1 it's all about. And it goes same for the supplier that adds the medication to the stock, or the storekeeper that will count the stock. Again, we are talking. We can see the seller that will take from the stock to go and sell to the consumer, or to go and give to the deliverer for him to go and provide to the consumer that has passed a command. So that's it. That's approximately how the circuit functions. So we are going to talk about another type of diagram that is called the MRD diagram. So the MRD diagram is now we are going to convert this entity into tables. this and this these attributes uh, into very important stuff that we are going to see next. So that's the MLD diagram is this is the description of the MLD diagram. Since the supplier stores keep and the storekeeper have a 1/1 and 1/1 relationship, the primary key of the supplier will go to the table of the storekeeper preceding with a hash symbol to indicate it is a foreign primary key. So we are going to see more here. This is the supplier that passes his primary key to the storekeeper, and the storekeeper will have processed his own primary key. He will have a store, and he have another attribute which is the storekeeper's name. So his name on what he's about to end will be have as entry will be his name, the storekeeper's ID, and the supply ID. In order for any problem, for traceability, for problems, if there's an occurrence of a problem, it can easily be traceable, and we can sort out the problem. Same goes for the seller that gives the delivery, for the seller that demands to the storekeeper. So that's it. Also for the storekeeper that counts the stock, for the seller that takes from the stock. Okay, now let's see now the data dictionary. The data dictionary is all about every single attribute of each table. It is recorded in the data dictionary. Every single every single attribute of each table or each entity is going to be recorded in the data dictionary. So this is the data dictionary, and the type of data, the number, this length of the data that is recorded, and then we are going to see we are going to implement it on PHP my admin to see how it works. Now for the implementation part, I'll leave the document about the data dictionary in the description if you are interested. Now this is the simulation part. You can see the relationship that has been drawn on the PHP my admin. So I want to thank you very much for your keen attention, and see you next time. Bye bye.